Now the color. Baby! How did you get out? You're standing on the side. No. Evie. Look. Come on, tumble over. Okay. Another color. I love those. They leave powder on your hands. Mira. Giant plant. Hello. What's for lunch?
Sausage, French fry, egg.
That sounds weird. I'm glad. I'm hungry. What is that? I did not understand that. Alstroemeria. Paper daisies. Wet the beds. I'm making a video. What is that? Hi.
I thought she was going crazy. There's geranium in there with, what's that stuff? Potato, vine, plus another plant in there.
Oh crap, I think I was covering the microphone. I laughed like a Sesame Street. I don't know what any of these plants are, but they're such pretty colors. Yay, spring! Yay, spring! It's meant to be like that, right? No, I don't think so. Little pretty one. No. Bam! Ooh, I love this one. The Lazina, something like that. Reminds me of Year 10 biology. And lasagna. It's the rook. That is a fruit, I think. Okay. Ooh. Isn't that a Christmas something? Christmas bush? I don't know. Fly. Sticky yuppie roses. More pretty hydrangeas. And hard palm tree. The pretty white ones that look like wedding flowers at the front. Poppy. And I don't know what the other ones are. Rose. My room. Whoa. What are they? Oh, lanterns. So pretty. So papery. Kind of creepy. Geranium. That's right, Evie. Inside. My key. You gotta. Hang on. Okay. Now I'm done. And welcome home.